What it do, my peoples? It's your boy Skies Limit 83. We back. Yeah. Y'all know what time it is. It's another unboxing. We're keeping it rolling. Coming to you with another unboxing as promised. Got something good for Silver Beast. Don't know what it is. I got an idea. Let's find out together. Let's get to it. Always struggle opening up this knife. Got it this time. Yeah, throw that in. I like my Liu Kang skills, huh? Dang, man, I sliced the box all up. Oh well. No, bro, let me close this knife, man, before I make a mess. Let's see what we got here, my peoples. Black box. It's in the black box. It's in the black box. Okay. Well, we got those brake pads. Look like carbon fiber joints too. Carbon BBs. Yeah, alright. Brake pads. So we got the brake pads. I don't know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, hold on. I need the knife again. Gotta open up another box. Trying to be a little more gentle with this one. Okay. Ooh, like, this knife, man. I don't never want to close up right for me. Crack that open. Ooh, wee! Look what we have here. Oh man, these boys came in the blue bag. They ain't even come in the regular junk. Got them drilled and slotted rotors. Hold on, let me bring. I don't want to take them off the bag just yet. I'll just bring it closer so y'all can see. As y'all can see, these are drilled and slotted rotors. They are for the back. Hopefully y'all can see through the bag. Let's see what y'all see. Oh yeah, y'all can see that. Got them drilled and slotted boys. Drilled and slotted. Yeah. Oh yeah. So as y'all know, I got the drilled and slotted on the front. So we about to throw these on the back. Silver Beast gonna be looking real good. Oh, just to give y'all a little quick update about Silver Beast. I did get the mirror fixed. Try to throw some before and after pictures in. You know, Silver Beast had that little bruise on her elbow. You know what I mean? She all good now though. See if I can throw them pictures in there. Yeah, man. Well, like I said, I just wanted to give y'all a little quick update. Let y'all know how we moving. You know, Silver Beast. She's getting ready, man. She's getting ready. You know, we halfway into this summer. Wait a minute, we passed halfway. We probably, it's like the last quarter. We gotta go out with a bang. You know, we've been doing upgrades all summer long. We gotta go out with a bang. Like I said, it's just the beginning. More things coming. More everything coming. Appreciate all the love. Like, comment, subscribe. Get at me. It's your boy Skies Unlimited 83. Peace, love, and happiness, my peoples. In a minute.